Hey guys, today we are going to see how to make this flavorful, healthy mixed vegetable raitha which can be had as a whole meal or can be accompanied with biryanis or chapatis. So let's see how to make it. In a bowl, add chopped tomatoes, onions, cucumbers and shredded carrot. You can alter the vegetables as per your wish. Then lots and lots of curd, chaat masala, cumin powder, salt and red chili powder. Give them a really good mix. Once after mixing, just add one more spoon of fresh curd on top. Just give it a bit of swirl. Then chaat masala or cumin powder and a pinch of red chili powder in between of these two chaat masala lines to make the appearance look even more better and ask our eyes to eat before our mouth does. Also, you can keep this in fridge for about 2 days. Now, let's enjoy this with our yummy carrot chapati. Thank you. Bye bye.